feel the water. It's gonna be perfect. Oh, welcome to Busselton, Western Australia, where the water is beautiful, we have nice weather, and we go swimming! Welcome back to another video. So I'm down here at Forrest Beach. It's perfect swimming weather. I'm gonna get Sparky the drone up in the air. Yo, I think I found a fishing rod. I found a part of a fishing rod. Woohoo! Look at this, I've caught sand! Sparky! Controller! Flight!
I can never shake you out. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you out.
Yeah, more like 6. But I'm down here at the foreshore. So peaceful. There's like one little bit of cloud over there that's just brighter than everything else. Oh wait, that's the moon. It's not a cloud.
It's working. Never shake you out. You're stickier.
Damn it! Trying to get the drone up in the air to capture this sunset. There's actually a cruise ship in today.
I'm always trying to get rid of you. I don't wanna shake you out. I don't wanna shake you out.
Alright, even though the drone's dead, doesn't mean I can't stop filming on you. I'm sure there's a reason to that, but it's humorous. Alright, I'm back here at the foreshore. It's not so windy as it was out in the jetty, but I thought I'd show off this playground that has just been built. It's a ship that's on its side, and you can climb up into the viewpoint on the mast. Oh, and it changes colour.